man Junior from What My Teacher Wears. Check it back in with my YouTube family. What is good? I hope everybody is staying safe and staying clean out there. Today is Tuesday's session of Getting Dressed with Me during the quarantine break. Getting dressed with me during the quarantine break. It is a Tuesday. This is normally what I would wear on a Tuesday. Let's just like not do any of the small talk, short talk. I hope everybody is good. I hope everybody's mental space is good. But let's get into this look. And as I always do, and as I always tell you guys, I always start off with one statement piece. This statement piece right here is a window pane gray. It is a gray window pane suit. The window pane is actually charcoal. I don't know if it really showed up extremely well. That is not black. That is a charcoal gray. And this is going to be the statement piece. I really love this suit. I got it from K&G. If you guys remember I believe my last Monday Getting Dressed with Me, I also said I had a suit from K&G. Well, this is one of those suits that I was talking about that I had got a bundle for a small price. And so we gonna throw these pants on and see how these pants look. Again, guys, I really truly love this suit. I love this suit. It was very minimal tailoring that I had to do these pants. They came unhemmed, so I just had to make sure the length was the correct way. I didn't have to do anything in the thighs. I was just knee down, which is, super easy for a tailor. Again, Tuesday, I was going one way and I wanted to go another way. This was my first look that I wanted to go with. It was just a simple polo with some sneakers. Again, let the pocket square do a lot of the talking. Let the lapel pin do a lot of the talking. This lapel pin is from We Are Lapel Pins. But I let that do most of the talking, and then I just paired it with the same exact watch that I had on in yesterday's Getting Dressed with Me video. And I really like this look, but I'm not really too sure if this look is the look that I would need to be going for on a Tuesday, unless I knew I would be walking around a lot throughout the day, throughout the school. I probably might not get home till a little bit later, so this might be a look I would go for if that was the case. But if that wasn't the case, I normally wouldn't go for this, I guess you can say, this relaxed of a look on a Tuesday. But I really love this look. This polo was super affordable. It was like $7 from JCPenney's. I did a campaign with them. If I'm not mistaken, it was out. This is in my back to school. From this school year, this is my back to school campaign that I partnered up and collaborated with JCPenney's. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to switch it up, and this is actually the tie that you all saw from yesterday's video when I had on that charcoal double-breasted blazer. This was the initial tie. This tie goes perfect with this suit because it brings out the charcoal within the window pane of the suit, which is what I really and truly love. I could have gone, very monochromatic, went with just a simple white or even a charcoal pocket square, but I chose to do something a little bit different. I switched the watch game up and I went with a brown leather band watch. This watch, if I'm not mistaken, it was probably from Walmart or from JCPenney's with the campaign that I was doing with one of them. It was from one of those places. I cannot remember. Again, as long as you take care of your stuff, it does not have to cost an arm and a leg. What I did with the loafers, loafers is that's me. I went with the dark brown loafer, brown beads to kind of bring out the brown in the loafer, as well as if you can really pay attention, that pocket square, as that pocket square is brown. It's a light brown with the dark brown lining on it, which I kind of bring that out as I fluff it. I absolutely love this video. Which video did you guys like more? Well, rather, which look did you guys like more? Was it the first look with the polo, or was it the second look with actually suited and tied up and looking very elegant? The elegant educator. The elegant educator. Anyway, that's for another day, man. That's for another day. Stay tuned. I will be dropping Wednesday's video again at 12:30 on tomorrow. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor and do that right now. If you have not liked this video and you thought these looks were dope, go ahead and support your boy, and go ahead and like this video, man. Tell a friend about your boy, man. Holla at you.